Dear students, now we will discuss an illustration on labor costing for the calculation of wages under different methods like time rate system, Rowan system and Halsey system. So let us start. This problem is taken from the model question paper as most of the students were asking for the solution. So let us see the illustration here. A workman's wages for a guaranteed 44 hours is rupees 0.75 per hour. The estimated time to produce one article is 30 minutes and under an incentive plan, the time allowed is increased by 20%. During a week, a worker produced 100 articles. Calculate the wages under each of the following methods. A. Time rate system. B. Rowan system. And C. Halsey system. So here there is one worker who is working for 44 hours. The time taken is 44 hours. For 1 hour, he is getting 75 paise. The estimated time to produce one article given is 30 minutes and as under an incentive plan, the time allowed is increased. They can increase it by 20%. That means you have to calculate the 20% on 30 minutes. That is 6 minutes per article they can increase. During a week, a worker produces 100 articles. So calculate the wages under each of the following methods. So on different methods, we have to see the calculation how we will be going to give the wages here. So let us do the solution. So here in the solution, as per the A requirement time rate system, it is very simple that how much time he has taken multiplied by is the wages per hour. Okay, time has taken by the worker is 44 hours and how much wages he is getting per hour is 0.75 rupee, that is 75 paise. So the wages he will get as per the time rate system is 33 rupees. Next come to the Rowan system. So under Rowan system, we consider his wages and with that bonus also we will add. Okay, so we calculate the total earnings by considering his wages and also the bonus. Okay, how to calculate it? So standard time per article they have given is 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes is a standard time for producing one article and they have given or increased the time by 20%. That is nothing but 6 minutes they have increased. That means now totally time allowed under incentive plan will be 36 minutes. Okay, as they have increased the 6 minutes. So 36 minute per article. The worker is producing totally 100 articles. So that means what is the time allowed for these 100 articles? 100 articles multiplied by 36 minutes. That means 3600 minutes allowed to the worker. So 3600, if we convert it to hours, it comes to 60 hours. We have calculated this. It is nothing but 3600 divided by 60 minutes per hour. Okay, 60 minutes per hour. So 60 we divided by 60 you can do. So you will get 60 hours. Now, what is the time he is taking? He has taken 44 hours. Now, time saved. What the time he has saved then? 60 hours was allotted. 44 hours he has taken. That means 60 hours are time saved. Okay. Now, what the wages he is actually getting, it is the same, right? 44 hours he has taken the time and for that 75 paise he is receiving per hour. So that means 33 rupees he is receiving as a wages. Now, what the time he has saved, for that he should get the bonus, right? As per the Rowan plan, we have to calculate the bonus. This bonus should be added to the wages now. How do we calculate the bonus? Bonus is equal to time taken divided by time allowed multiplied by time saved multiplied by hourly rate. That means what is the time taken? He has actually taken 44 hours. But what was the time it was allowed to him? It is 60 hours. And what is the time saved then? So 16 hours he is saving. And for that, what is the hourly rate? We have 0.75. So 8 rupee 80 paise is his bonus. Okay. So now as per Rowan plan, what is the total earning he has? His earning will be 41 rupees 80 paise. Is this clear? So this you have to remember. Now come to the requirement number C, that is calculation of earnings as per the Halsey plan. As per Halsey plan, also the wages will be same. That is 33 rupees. Now, what is the bonus? How to calculate the bonus? In the Halsey system, bonus is equal to 50% of time saved multiplied by rate per hour. Time saved is 16 hours at the rate of 75 paise. So now 16 into 75 paise. That is, you will get 12 rupees. Okay. So bonus will be given 50% of that. That means 12 rupees into 50% if you are doing, you will get 6 rupees. Is this clear? So the total earnings as per Halsey plan for this worker will be 39 rupees. So this is how you should calculate the wages and the total earnings as per the different plans. I think the concept is clear to you. If you have any doubts, any clarification if you require, you can post it in the comment section. I'll try my best to respond. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to get the latest updates. All the best for your exams. Thank you.